Good morning children, how are you? I hope you are fine and you are safe and having a healthy food with your family members. So this is the class 1, page number 39 children. So here we will start. Yesterday we have completed the textual reading of lesson, right? So now we are going to complete the textual reading. Textual reading we have completed. Now we are going to complete the textual exercises. So I hope you are ready children. Class first children, this is the English subject, right? So let us start. Okay. COMPLETE, complete these sentences, SENTENCES sentences with the correct words. So what you need to do children, you have to complete the sentences. Sentences means which have a correct meaning and which have the subject, object plus verb. Okay, subject, verb plus object, that you will learn in the higher classes. Okay children. Bobby, first one see children, BOBBY, Bobby does, 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 not do's, not does, nothing will be there. Okay, does, DOES is does not. Want, WANT, want to clean her room because she is. Because, what is spelling for because children? BECAUSE, because she is what? Tired or hungry? Bobby, that girl, yes or no? So she was tired. Then you have to write here tired, TIRED, tired. Okay children, you have to write here tired, right? You have to write here tired and you have to take this A option. Please do it children. Yeah, I hope you have done it. Next, Bobby, B. See, are you seeing this one? First sentence is capital only. And even after the full stop also it will be always a capital letter only. So whenever you are writing also, please keep in your mind that you have to write, whenever the sentence is starting, you have to write the new sentence, then you have to write the first word capital only. Bobby asks, 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 dash for help. So Bobby asks whom for help? Mummy or Robbie? Robbie is a robot. Did she ask for mummy? No, only Robbie was there. So that is B option. Please tick this children. And here you have to write Robbie, ROBBY, Robbie. You have to write here Robbie. Okay children. So first one is which option? A, tired, that one. And second option is Robbie, ROBBY. Third, see children, Robbie. Now in the previous question they have asked about Bobby. Now they are asking about what? Robbie. What is spelling for Robbie? ROBBY. Robbie wants dash. What the Robbie wants? Books, 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 or food, FOOD, food. Okay, so Robbie wants what? Food, because he was hungry. So here you have to write what children? Food, 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 and please tick the food option. Okay, please do it children. Yes, now Bobby, fourth one see children, Bobby brings, BOBBY, Bobby brings, BRINGS, brings food, 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 for, FOR, for Robbie, ROBBY, Robbie, in a big, what? In big what? Bobby has given him a what? Okay, A option is bag and B option is plate. So in which one he has brought, Bobby has given? That is a big bag. Yes, you have to take this and you have to write here BAG, bag. Okay, please write in a neat handwriting. Okay. So first one A option, first one option is A1 is correct. In the second one B1 is correct. In the third one B1 is correct, and in the fourth one is A1 is correct. So this completes the page number 39. Now all of you please turn the page children. Yes, now this will be an activity for you. This is a activity for you. Okay children, are you ready for this? Yes. Draw smiley. What is this children? This is the B bit, means B bit. We have completed A bit, right, in the page number 39. Now we have to complete the B bit. Draw smiley for the things, THINGS, things that Robbie likes. So the Robbie likes which type of things that you have, that we need to draw smiley. Okay, draw this sad face, this smiley, like it is a, what you call as a sad face. Okay, for the things that he does not like. Okay, now, so you have to draw the smiley what the Robbie likes, and if he does not like that, we have to draw the smiley face. So I hope you are ready for this. Okay, okay, this is what children, everyone say this one. Yes, this is jam. You know na, mixed fruit jam will be there. Yes, and you liked it a lot, but Robbie doesn't like this. That is the reason we have to draw a sad face. Like this we have to draw. Okay, next one, oranges. Shall we see whether he does like oranges or not? See here, I like oranges and grapes. Yes. So here oranges he likes. That is the reason which smiley we need to draw. We need to draw a smiley. Yes. Everyone can do na? Yes. Grapes also he likes a lot. So that also we draw a smiley. Yes. Yes children? Yes. This one? Caps. Yes, he likes a lot that I like caps, right? Yes, here also you have to draw a smiley. Okay, you draw neatly. Okay children, draw a smiley. Okay, shall we check otherwise? See, I like caps, I like crayons. Yes or no? So that you have to draw. Okay, next one, mangoes. No, he doesn't like mangoes. He doesn't like mangoes. That is the reason we have to draw this. Okay, he even doesn't like the banana. So we have to draw a sad face. He even doesn't like the bread and jam. That is the reason we have to draw a sad face. Okay, this is a crayon, this is a pencil. So pencil he doesn't like, right or not? Yes, he like the crayons. So you have to draw a sad face. All are he doesn't like, this whole row he doesn't like. This one, crayons, he like crayons. That is the reason we have to draw a smiley. Cakes, yes, he like cakes. Let us see children, but once if you have time, see, I like cakes. Okay, here I like mangoes also. So we have to draw a smiley face. Yes, here smiley face. Smiley face draw. Okay, cakes also he likes. Sorry children, smiley face. Okay, apples he doesn't like. Here now we have seen the apples. So here children, what happened? He doesn't like the shoes also. So I'm just turning the mobile, and just you have to take a pic, or you have to take the screenshot where you have to draw the smiley and where you have to draw the sad face. Okay, first one sad face, second one smiley, third one smiley, caps also smiley. First mango, smiley. Smiley means a good face, means for happy face, right? Bananas also what? Sad face. Bread, sad face. Pencil, sad face. Crayon, smiley. Cake, smiley. Apple, no, sad face. And last one is shoes, also a sad face. That you have to do children. Okay, so we have completed this A and B section. Okay, now this one, word wise. Say these words aloud. Means you have to speak it out in a loud. Okay, it doesn't mean that you have to make a noise. Okay, this first one, dot. Please repeat after me. Dot. Hot, pot, hop, shop. means it's a pronunciation of O letter. Okay. Log, fog, dog, top, stop. So these are all the you have to say these words. So from the section D we will start tomorrow. Okay children, please complete it at your home and send the pics in the WhatsApp group. Okay children, I hope you have learnt and you know what to do, and you have to just see the video, try to listen to it and do it. Okay children, take care children, bye everyone.